Hello and welcome to DataZar. Today I'm going to show you how to add row colors to a page or a post at connect.datazar.com. So go to datazar.com and we're going to click the login button. We're already logged in, so that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's go ahead and go full screen. So to work on your website, click on the website button. We're going to be working with pages today, but these editing tools are identical for pages and posts. So if you want to add row colors to a post, you can do that as well. Let's look at our public preview URL. This is the website we've been working with, our AAA Outdoor Scenes. And here's a blog post that we created with some written instructions. And I just want to go over these real quick here. There's a couple reasons. If you want to convey your information in an easy to understand manner, or maybe you want certain elements to stand out on a page or a post, making them readable. We're going to show you that. Here are the written steps. We're not going to cover all these at the moment, but this is what we're going to be doing in the video. And if you want to find the written steps, if you're watching the video and you need the written steps, go to our help site. Go to help.datazar.com, click on Website Help, and click on Add row colors to a page or post. You'll find the written instructions. And one thing, there's a website right here where you can find custom colors too. And it's kind of self-explanatory. We're not going to cover it in the tutorial, but I just wanted to let you know that this is here in the written instructions. So let's go ahead and tab over and let's get started here. So we went from dashboard to website. We're going to edit our page. So let's click on pages. And the page that we want to edit is our tips page. So let's go ahead and click on that. And we're going to scroll down to the editing screen. And we're just going to put our cursor inside of our editing screen where we want to add the table, the table where we're going to add the color to it. So put your cursor where you want to add the table, click on Table, and then just do a single table, so just one square. And then click on Table again, click on Table Properties, change this to 100%. I don't think this matters, but I change it to 0. And then to add the color, go to Advanced and go to Background Color. So we're going to click on this. You can add a single color, one of these 16 colors here, or you can go to our color wheel here, and that gets you to the color picker. And the color picker, it's pretty easy to use. What you do is you use this setting right here. There's two settings. This setting to find out which color you want to be within. So let's say you want to do a blue. Then you use this setting to adjust the shade of the blue. You'll look at this box here as I'm moving this left to right. It goes darker and lighter. So we're going to go about right there. Click OK, and then click OK. And there it is. Now what you can do is you can add text here. So I'm just going to type in a couple letters. You can stretch it to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place this getting there section in there. So I'm going to just copy this. I'm going to do Control X, so I actually deleted it. Now I'm going to paste it in here. So make sure you get your cursor in there. That's why I put the 3 S's in there. So I can just back those out and do Control V. And then I pasted that in there. So we have our getting there. Paste it in. And that looks good. So we could do the next one too. We could do another table. So you go back. So I have my cursor right here. And then I go to Table. And then I do a single table. And go back to Table. Table Properties. Click on Properties. Again, we're going to change this to 100%. That to 0. I don't think it matters. This part does. And then click on Advanced. Click on Background Color. And we can choose one of these colors, but well, let's go ahead and do the color wheel. These are a little darker than I want. So we're going to go color wheel and go up to our yellows. Go to this setting, slide left to right, and that looks really good. Click OK and click OK. So there we have our next. You can add text here, or if you have something that you want to copy and paste, you can just, I want to go right. Okay, I want to make sure I get this. Okay, there it is. So we go Control X and back this up. Control V, paste it in, and there we go. And this here we can slide a little bit if we want. And we're going to leave the last one. So when you're done adding your row colors, you can see how it really makes them stand out. We're going to click Update. Now let's tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. We're going to go to the tip page that we just updated. And there it is. We have our Getting There. We have our Training. Then we have our Off the Cuff, the one that we didn't do. But you can really see how it adds color, makes things stand out. I think it's a great idea to add row color to your page or to your posts. Let's tab back over. And one other thing while we're here, that's pretty much it. But make sure you check out our help site. Go to the Help button on the main menu. And you can go to our featured tutorial videos. You can go to our community help forum. The Help Center is the one that I like to go to. Click on the Help Center, and this takes you to help.datazar.com. And in the tutorial that we just created, you're going to find it under Website Help. It's going to be in here somewhere. Also, make sure that you watch the featured tutorial videos. You can click on those and watch featured tutorial videos. The first three are really good. Let's tab back over. Let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to add row colors to a page or a post with DataZar Connect.